Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will unbox the Tronsmart ELEMENT MEGA Bluetooth speaker and I want to see how it sounds. So let's do it. So as you can see, the name of the speaker is Tronsmart ELEMENT MEGA and let's unbox this speaker. And now let's look on the back of the box. We have here an DSP technology, an intuitive touch panel with slide controls, 28 core high fidelity large subwoofer horn, and supports also NFC. Now let's open it. And let's see what we have inside. This is the speaker. And it looks very nice. Okay, let's see what we have here. This is the intuitive touch panel, and from here you can control the volume, the mode, and here is the NFC logo. And on the back we have a line in, an on-off switch. Okay, and now it's on. You can put an SD card here, and from here you can charge it with a micro USB data cable. Let's see what else we have inside. A small box. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is a jack cable, and this is a micro USB data cable, and also we have a user manual here and a warranty card. Okay, this is the user manual. And here is my phone, and this is the dimension of the speaker. Okay. Now let's see how it works, this Bluetooth speaker, and switch on. And on my phone I will go to the Bluetooth and turn on, and here is Tronsmart ELEMENT MEGA, and now it's connected for call audio and media audio. Just hit done, and now let's go to hear some music. And this is how it sounds. Let's stop and let's play again.
There's no hope in the colony, so get yourself a lifeline. Things have gone wrong too many times, so get yourself a soul. Go to China. This is some horse from the tiger claws, all your tears will be trembling. Step those teeth into my back season.
Let's play the next song.
Words won't fill your eyes, same noise, let them destroy. I feel so bad about my your love alone is not enough, not enough, not enough.
And from my opinion it sounds great. Also, I want to mention that this Bluetooth speaker is endorsed by the famous football star Luis Suarez, and the standby time is 24 hours and the talk time is 10 hours. So, if you like this Bluetooth speaker, you will find the product link in the video description. I hope to like this video, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.